Hi guys, welcome to the RSM Tech World YouTube channel. How are you all? So here I am again with another new income app for you. Through this app, you can earn money just by playing games and completing surveys. Here, I will show you payment proofs at 1 o'clock. Look, a notification from Gmail has arrived in my phone's notification panel at 1 o'clock. Now I am clicking on it and you can see that this notification actually came to my phone at 5:05. And right now it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock in Italy. 9 minutes. I'm giving you this review only after receiving the payment here. If you like it, then of course you can work here. Here, this is the payment received in my PayPal account. Now, let me show you the payment request I made in the app through which I received the payment. Look, I requested the payment here just a little while ago and they have already paid me. I received the money in my PayPal account within just 1 minute. And in this app, by playing games, you will receive valuable gift cards from popular platforms like Groupon and Amazon, and if you so desire, you can conveniently withdraw your earned cash directly to your personal account through Amazon PayPal, directly from this convenient location here. So those of you who are watching this video on my channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe and stay connected with our channel. Because on this channel, I share real income apps like this. So let's start the video. The name of today's app is Testimol app. Link will be provided in the description box of this video. The description box will have the link. From there, you can directly install the app and start earning by playing games. After installing the app, when you enter it, you will see just 3 options in front of you. The first option is Profile, the second option is Discover, and the last option is My Game. Here, just like other apps, you can earn money by playing games. From here, you can simply download whichever game you like to play. I have already downloaded them, so the games you download will appear under the My Game option. If you click inside My Game, you will see all the games you have downloaded here. From here, you can directly click on Play Now to start playing the games. And all the information about how many coins you will earn by playing each game will be provided here. See, you can view all the information here. If you complete 30 levels in this game, you will receive a total of 67 coins here. In this way, you just need to collect coins here, and later you can withdraw them directly through PayPal. If you are unable to withdraw through PayPal, then you can contact me. And I will send your money to you through my PayPal account. You can also withdraw directly to your bank account. No matter which country you are working from, you can receive your payment from me in your local currency. Those of you who watched the video but haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to subscribe. And to get more videos like this, after subscribing to the channel, make sure to click the bell icon next to it. That way, whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to get the notification. So we'll meet again next time with a new real income app. Until then, everyone stay well and take care. Bye bye.